Hey guys, in this video, I will be unboxing my new Adidas NMD R1 logo pack. But before I do that, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. I want to keep this video sweet and short, so without further ado, let's unbox the new NMD R1 logo pack. So I actually got this, I believe, a little over 2 weeks ago at Bonifacio Global City here in Manila. So without further ado, this is the new Adidas NMD R1 logo pack. I was actually in the market for a new black NMD and I chanced upon this one. I like how majority of the shoe is actually all black. I'm a very minimalist person, so I opted for the all black variant of this shoe. You can see on the laces that there's a embossed logo of NMD, of the Adidas brand rather, which is, to me, I don't like it one bit. I'll actually be replacing the laces on this shoe. I've noticed in the newer models of the NMD, they seem to have changed the booth somewhat into a firmer, into a more rigid boost. At least that's what I'm able to tell based on this shoe. Other than that, the mesh seems to be, the canvas rather, seems to be a bit stretchier. It's not mesh, as you can see. It seems to be more of a canvas-like material on this model.
What we do here is go back.
The big question is, would I still recommend buying a pair of NMDs despite knowing that the hype is actually fading or dying down? Well, if you don't own a pair of NMDs yet, or you just like the style of the NMDs in general, then by all means get a pair. The NMDs in my book remains to be one of the most stylish pairs of shoes for me. This particular pair retails for, I believe, a little over $180 or 7,500 Filipino pesos here in Manila. Again, I got this pair over at Adidas in BGC, and I think there are still remaining stocks left. So yeah. So that's all the time that we have for now, guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as leave a comment in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, again, please do consider subscribing. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.